What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in on today's video. I'm Gabe, and today I'm going to be spending the day with this beautiful 992 Carrera S. It is a cabriolet, and inside the car is my beautiful girlfriend, Natasha. This would actually be the third Porsche that I have driven on this channel, and the last time that I driven a 911 was actually a 991 GT3. So this is really exciting to get my hands on the 992 platforms. All right, so enough yapping, and let's take this beautiful car out for a spin. Oh wait, here's a nice straight. Guys, that's the great thing about Porsche. Like, it's the only one of the few manufacturers that you literally just slam on the brakes, slam on the gas, and let it go. You don't have to like go around and start fiddling with all the controls and stuff like that. It's just go. Oh my. Oh my Lord. Now the Carrera S, I believe it has like 400 and I don't know, something horsepower. The launch control is so addicting. My God, it's incredible just how amazing the pool feels. There definitely is that turbo lag, but it's definitely not as bad. And when it picks up, you definitely feel it. Today we're all about the red. El rojo. Also, guys, one of the crazy things about having the Porsche is the incredible and reliable and just overall very durable PDK transmission. I mean, look at this. Gonna accelerate in an instant. I didn't really talk too much about it because I was so excited, but babe, the interior is so nice. The Porsche interior.
You look sexy.
Really? I feel like I look so like...
No.
I mean, look, to be honest, a Porsche can make anybody look sexy. Oh my God! Yo! You know me, I'm a big Camaro guy. I love Camaro, but I need a freaking Porsche one day. Oh my God, it sounds so good, and the backfires that you're gonna get from factory, it's just amazing. And it's a good amount. It's not like blah 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 blah. You know what I mean? It's just a healthy like 1 or 2 pops. Now getting to the hotel. All right, so this is the inside here.
I love this hotel.
Yeah, oh my God, look at the profile of it. Bro, I'm telling you, man, like everybody makes fun of Porsche for never really innovating and having the consistent body style, but I gotta say I love it. It's like what makes Porsche. Bruh, dude. Guys, we got a little tunnel. Let's see how it sounds. How was that?
Oh my God.
Guys, I can't emphasize just how incredibly happy I am. Not just to be driving a 911, okay? But just to have it on this beautiful day. When we got here, it was completely rained out. And we honestly thought that we were gonna have that type of weather for the rest of the trip. But no, things just worked out. And I couldn't be happier to spend it with a Porsche and with my beautiful girlfriend. Now let's eat. Woo! up? I'm one of you guys for a day.
Don't be a Miami driver.
You can take a guy out of Miami, but you can't take Miami out of a guy. This is actually what I envisioned when I was booking the trip and renting the Porsche and kind of like creating that idea for me, like being here in this popular area with the Porsche. I just didn't think it would be in a convertible. Okay, honey, so we...
What?
Koenigsegg dealership here. Oh my God, and they have a Ford GT. All right, so this time YouTube or Instagram did not eat first. I actually ate first. So
Damn.
what do you think?
It's fire.
No, it's actually quite good. It's quite good. It's not the best pie I've ever had, but it's still acceptable. What are your thoughts?
Definitely satisfied my hunger, but you're right. It wasn't okay.
It suffices. It's passing. All right, so let's keep going. Let's go, we're going shopping. Oh my God, how beautiful. Now I'm gonna show you guys what it's like to drive in Europe. These very tight streets. Back here again. We literally left like in a hurry, like oh my God, we're gonna go for an adventure, and we're literally back here again.
The concierge at the hotel just thinks you have nothing better to do.
No, and to flex.
I would just keep coming back.
I know. So we're gonna go to Old Town, take some pictures. Unfortunately, we're not gonna be able to get the Porsche inside of the actual Old Town, which we wanted to do, but you know, it is what it is. Bruh. That's how some of y'all influencers be like running in your like travel videos. Like relax, bro. Like nobody's in a rush. You know what's crazy, babe?
What?
This exact spot yesterday night is where my Starlink started to act up. Wow. You think it might be like some weird Old Town curse or something against people like me? It is nighttime. Let's take the Carrera out for a little POV drive. Guys, we're getting a ton of people looking at us in the Porsche. I mean, obviously, this is loud, flashy, definitely not the more typical type of driving style for sure. Just happened. I realized that my Insta360 camera that I was using to record audio fell off while I was filming the POV drive. Not really sure which area it fell in. I'm going to probably have to give up on looking for it because, well, I'm not going to spend the extra kilometers that I have on this rental. I'm just gonna call it a quits, guys. It's really unfortunate, but I can't say that I'm surprised considering how I was driving in that POV. Yeah, I like to think about it this way. There's gonna be a piece of my channel and of me in Marbella.
Forever.
until somebody sells it to somebody else for a quick buck.
It's all about perspective.
It's all about perspective. Yeah, you're right, babe. But honestly, you know, it's another perspective that I have right now is just how dead it is.
Even the gas station is like closed.
This is one of the wealthiest cities in Spain that attracts tourism from literally all over the world, and it's completely dead on a Thursday night. The amount of times that we have pulled up to the hotel, dropped the car off, then immediately taking it out again throughout the day is honestly hilarious. So I don't think you guys care to see us eating Thai food, so let's skip to the morning. So I'm heading back to the rental location to drop off the car, and well, I just want to go ahead and take the time to conclude this video. This was a totally incredible experience for somebody that has not driven a Porsche for quite some time now and has let alone spent the entire day with one. I'm so thankful that I was able to experience it all. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys found this video informative and somewhat entertaining, go ahead and hit the like button. And if you guys enjoy my content overall, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And last but not least, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos with my Camaro, other cool cars and experiences like getting this 992 Carrera S for the day. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.